Right, this is a short video of the Ford Ranger being hooked up to a Rockwood. Okay, Sean, come back. Let's video that bit then. That's it, about a foot. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. That's it. Then you clip the lever over. And that's it, we're all locked up, ready to go. That's it. Right, now we've safely got it hooked up, and Sean, this is one of our customers, is going through our sort of training procedure just to show how to hook up, plug it in and make things safe before we take off. So the plugs just go into for the lights and the brakes. That's it. Double check everything's in there nice and secure. That's it. And now Dave will put the tailgate up and we're all ready to go. Yeah, right, we're now putting the landing legs up, taking the weight onto the truck, and then Sean will show when they actually go up. That'll do. More than that? No, that's fine. That's fine. And just pull the pin out, lift it all the way up, and if you do the other one the same. That's it. The models we carry here and makes are Rockwood, which are made by Forest River, and we have Boomers down that end as well. Everything you see on the website we carry in stock, and Amelia banging away with that gas bottle putting me right off.